I made these crochet faux locs a few months ago and installed them for the first time almost 2 months ago now. Yeah. While making these, the broke girl in me needed for them to be reusable. I have to squeeze the life out of every hair I buy so I don't regret buying it. And I know I am not the only person in this situation. I think it is important I show you how I install mine because this method may be common here on YouTube, but mine is a little different. In most tutorials I watched, people just keep wrapping the Mali hair down the lock till the end. I don't do that. I just wrap mine down up to the loop. Once I cover it, if I still have Mali hair left, I wrap it up and down till it finishes. I never wrap over the lock itself. This makes the hair easier to take down without cutting your own hair or ruining the crochet lock. So this is how I take down the locks. I do this twist-like motion so the Mali hair lifts. It's easy for me to grip this way. Once I grip it, I use a pair of scissors to cut it. I will now unravel the bottom part first. I will unravel it till I see the loop. Most often, it is easy to just push down the Mali hair till you can see the loop. Here is the loop right here. Now I am going to unravel the top part and try to free up the Mali hair there. The rest will just fall off naturally. The difference between the Mali hair and the crochet hair is obvious because while wrapping the Mali hair, I do not try to mimic the crochet hair. I leave it as straight as possible so I can take it off easily. Like you can see in this video, I'll just pull it off like this, and here is the crochet hair that I can reuse if I want. Let me show you that one more time before we move to how to prep it for reuse. Yesterday, a client of mine told me she cut her hair while taking down her locks, and I was so pained. I realized that just explaining how to take down the locks is not enough. I should probably do this video and show them how to do it. Now it is left to them to watch it, and I tried to make this tutorial as easy as possible. I hope you find it easy too. After taking down the locks, I just put them in bundles according to length and just kept them away. Now it is time I reinstall them. These are the shortest ones I make. They have the 8 inches, the 10 inches and the 12 inches. So in a bucket of water, I put bathing gel. Yes, that is what I used. I was out of shampoo. I've been washing my hair with black soap, so I did not even realize I was out of shampoo. And this is synthetic hair. It shouldn't be a problem if I wash it with a bathing gel. And if it is gentle on the skin, it's probably going to be gentle on this hair too. I wash these in bundles depending on the length because I do not want to mix them up, so at the end of the day I have to start measuring everyone again to know where they fit. So to wash this, I do not scrub the hair. I don't, because it's going to make it too frizzy and tangle prone, so it might also ruin the locks because when you pull too hard on this lock, you ruin them. I just dip it in water and let it soak the soapy water, and I squeeze the water out after that. These are not really dirty because while I had them in, I washed them. So most of the dirt came out back then when I washed them. Now I'm just getting that extra dirt and the smell out. Next thing I do is use clear water to rinse this hair out. I just do the same thing I did with the soapy water. I just let the clear water soak in and I squeeze it out. But this time around, I'm going to use my scissors and trim all the flyaways. At least I'm going to try to trim all the flyaways. I mostly pay attention to the big knots, the knots that are just sitting there. I just cut them off. I'm going to do this for every strand, every single strand. Yes, I know this is tedious to do this one after the other, but it is important. You do not need to do it, but if you want to go back to that look, that first day look, you need to do it. Imagine me in this squat position trying to do this for you to see in this video. My knees hurt, my thighs hurt, everything hurts. At some point I just stopped filming and I sat down to continue doing it. But yes, that is basically all I do to prep my hair for reinstall. I actually reinstalled this already. I tried a different method. The video is probably going to be proposed to you at the end of this video. I'm going to link it at the end of this video for you to see. After I do this, I just set it outside for it to air dry. Do not use a hand dryer on it. Synthetic hair and heat are not friends. Honestly, looking at this, can you tell the difference between the new hair and the old hair? Can you? If I don't tell you, will you know? Look at how neat this is. Look at this. Perfect for reinstall. This is the hair after everything is done. I did add a few braids, including the burgundy ones. The first time I installed, I had 43 braids and now I have 49. This is how it turned out after the reinstall. I have a video of how I do this method. I'm going to link it here for you. Always remember, things cannot stay the same for you. They're definitely going to change. I hope they change in a positive way. Take care. Bye.